Hi friends, welcome to my channel. This video I will show you how to make authorization to someone using our Absher account. Okay, open our Absher account in desktop version. Okay, so log in using our account number and Absher password. Okay, after login we will receive OTP. We have to enter OTP to login. Okay, here this driver have traffic violation. We are going to make objection using our Saudi employee. So we are going to give authorization to our Saudi employee to visit the traffic police to make a manual objection, okay, for the traffic fine. Okay friends, here we have to click authorization. Okay, here we have to click sector visit authorization, the center. Okay, we have to click sector visit authorization. First we have to click authorization, second we have to click sector visit authorization. Here we have to click authorization for sector visit. Okay friends, after that here see create an authorization for sector visit, new request. Okay, first one, here we have to enter which sector. See, there is 4 sector available: one passport department, civil affairs, general traffic police, another one is general department of weapon and explosive. Okay, here for traffic department I select for traffic department. Here service, which service for giving authorization. Here we have to select manual objection. See, objection against the traffic violation. Okay friends, so depends on your request, you can make authorization to someone. Okay, here authorization, authorized person national ID. So the Saudi, you are going to give authorization to someone, no, the Saudi employee ID number we have to enter. After that, date of birth, there is Hijri or English. We have to select Arabic date of birth or English date of birth. Here I am selecting English date of birth. Enter the date of birth, year, month and date you have to select. Okay, after that verify everything. Okay, the authorized person akama Saudi number is correct, Saudi ID is correct, date of birth is correct. After that click next. If you click next, again you can verify, okay, the request type, the everything. After that click confirm. Once we click confirm, we will receive OTP. Okay, so employee will receive OTP. Okay, the driver, so enter the OTP to confirm. Once we confirm, the authorization successfully created. Like this you can give authorization to any Saudi employee. Please support and subscribe my channel. If you have any doubt, ask me in comment section, I will reply you. Thank you.